Since I started pouring this next to my cucumbers, we always pick a ton of juicy, oversized fruits. That's why today we're revealing this secret to you. Drop us a quick heart in the comments. It means a lot. Thank you. Now let's get into it. Cucumbers love sun, warm soil, and regular, generous watering. If you want strong vines and lots of fruit, the soil needs to be loose, nutrient-rich, and you need to give the plant something to climb. Cucumbers hate drought, but they also hate soggy roots. The fix? Water regularly and deeply, right at the roots, avoiding the leaves so they don't get wet. To keep your cucumber plants growing strong and producing new fruit, you need to regularly prune away excess growth and remove damaged or yellowing leaves. This redirects the plant's energy toward developing the main stem and forming new cucumbers instead of wasting energy on growth you don't need. A lot of gardeners make the mistake of letting cucumber vines sprawl on the ground with no support and planting them too close together. Give your plants room to breathe and train them up netting or stakes so air can circulate freely. Your fruits stay clean and the risk of rot drops dramatically. Cucumbers love natural feeding. Give them enough nutrients and the fruits come out bigger, sweeter, and juicier. Regularly loosening the soil around the base also helps the roots breathe and take up nutrients faster. And now the secret gardeners have been using for years. Next time you finish a yogurt, don't rinse the container right away. Add a splash of water to it, swirl it around so every last bit of yogurt dissolves. Then pour that liquid straight onto the soil near your cucumber roots. About half a liter of water per empty yogurt container is enough. Swirl it, water each plant with a little of the mixture, and that's it. This simple trick enriches the soil naturally, and your plants respond with stronger growth and heavier fruiting. If you love tips like this, hit subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you're already a pro with tomatoes too, and share this video with a friend who loves gardening. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video on the $3 mosquito trap that actually works.